let's make something move. Let's make it animation. For example, you want to share this to your social media. You can do it like make a copy, so you can resize it. You still can keep the first one here, and you can open this. Also rename here, because it's not open house anymore. Let's say open house social. So let's make it square. Recently I discovered when it's square, it goes anywhere. The size is, use the Facebook size. Facebook width is 1200 pixel. Pixel is a unit for image for online. So this is the inch. Let's make a pixel. For example, pixel this. So you have a check mark here. Now resize. So now it's the size that we want, and we're going to create a social post. We still can use similar format here, but maybe I don't need this because the size is quite small here. I would need this space for the text. So if I move it down, and I want to make the top as video, what do you think? In fact, I want to make something interesting. I want to create, let's find a video, public speaking. So video. Let's just use this one. So you can delete all the other ones. There, once you click it, it goes there. And it doesn't let me. So, okay, if you want a shape or want a frame, you can search a frame. Search a frame. So you can, those are called a frame. In fact, it's template. So you can make a, for example, if you want a square, maybe it's not a square. Let's make it a rectangle. The reason I use that, because you can just pull it in. Did you see? For future, if you want to replace the image, it's easy. For example, this image, I'm not sure if it's good. It's not strong enough. Let's find another one. Video. Wanted more bright. Stunning. How about this one? I like this one better. Just for example, we use this, and now I want to change the background to reverse. For example, I want to reverse and use our brand color, or this color, we can change it to this. Oh, white is still a good color. You can add different color if you want to use different color. So if you want white, let's just add white. No way. Okay, here, white. Now the logo doesn't work anymore. Let's change a different logo. Okay, this is still doing the social post right now. It's still flat. Let's make the movement zoom. Okay, for example, I want to add two different videos and transit. So I'm going to add duplicate a page and just change a video. Change to a different video. I want to change to the woman, no. Okay. It's just for example, let's use the guy again. And this is for the second page. And also we can animate the elements, for example, the text. So animate, I wanted to tap 1, 2, 3, it's a tapping, or I want this to pop. Want this to popping, or I want this to go pan like this. Okay, and here maybe I haven't done the animation. If I want the exact same animation, I just copy this, delete this, and paste from the first page. Now let's see. So the animation from here is the elements animation. Now let's make transition from the first page to the second page. Let's take a look at it. How long? Oh, I didn't set the how long. Let's see, how long is this? Oh, this is 15 seconds. That's too long. Let's cut something, okay? So it's make it shorter. The page will stay as long as how long the video lasts. That's why. But for the example purpose, let's just make it short. Okay. Did you see like a page transition, and then in the page have the individual transition? When you download, for example, you want to put it in your email, then you download the GIF image. This is the GIF. You know, you can see online it's plays by itself. You don't need to have a play button. But for social media, you can download as MP4. And also because of that, I'm going to show you how to plan this ahead of time to your social.